Yo, it's the Skidsum. Today I'll be basically showing you how to skid better momentum. This is gonna be a very straightforward tutorial. So yeah. So first things first, just create a Discord server. You probably already have if you're watching this. But yeah. And now you're just gonna basically download momentum. I mean, today we're gonna use better momentum. So yeah. You will also need the fix that I made for the bot and BlackGS, which is the game server for momentum. Just to go ahead, download it, put it there. I think I already downloaded all this, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. Just put everything in the folder if you want. There. And too lazy to move the folders. And the fix, you can just copy and paste it off the GitHub. I'll leave all of these linked in the description. So yeah. So first things first, just open Visual Studio Code. I mean, first you need to extract them, of course. Extract both of those. Game server, and then you can just delete the folders. Okay, extracted, so delete. Okay, so now we just open Visual Studio, drop that folder in, and the first thing we're gonna configure is the env. And you don't really need all this if you know what you're doing. Different type of storage. Here's your matchmaker. You just leave it at 4309. Just put your RADMIN IP in this, or RADMIN VPN. Just put it there. These will be the playlist that will show. So I'll also give you an event list active, so you can put arena. But for now, I'm gonna just leave it at default. You know what, I'm gonna just add arena playlist even though it won't show up. Just put showdown, alt, solo. Server off, so you can just make one here. I'm gonna just put skid master. Name. Oh shoot. Skid. This will be your Mongo database. If you don't know how to get MongoDB, just go to the link in the description. Get Compass UI and get community server. You need both of these. Tape and runs the database, you know what I'm saying? This is better momentum. This will be your bot's Discord token, so I'm just gonna make one real quick. Let me just go to my main account. Now just go to Discord developer portal, create a new application. I'm gonna just name skid. Verify right there. Now go to bot, go to presence intent, allow that. Server members intent, allow that. Here you can change the banner. This will be the main one. I don't think you really need to change anything in general information, but yeah, this will be the main bot profile. I won't just leave it at default. Now just go to bot again, reset your token so you can put the bot token. just put my two-factor authentication. Copy it, go to here, remove that, put it right there. Yep. So now we're just gonna go invite the bot. So go off to right here, check bot, and then check administrator. Copy that, go to your server, paste it wherever. I mean, you can also just put it in the browser, invite it to your server, and you can just delete it afterwards if you did here. So now you have your Discord bot here. Okay, so now we're just gonna skid. I mean, change the text and everything else. So first things first, just go to content pages. Let's change everything that says backend by it, guess. Yes, this is an advanced skidding tutorial. Let's go. Welcome. This is basically the notice that will be in the main page of the game. Sorry, I'm bad at explaining, but just put welcome to, just put your project name, and just put skid 2. Just search anything like better momentum. Search everything like this, and replace, just put that. I'm gonna just put skid 2. Right click on the main one, replace. Don't change this, just make sure, just don't change the APIs, guys. Just don't, so you can use it on the game server. This is the bot present, so you can just change it to I'm gonna just do src bot, change the presence to whatever you want. I'm gonna just use skid to 8.51 because I'll be using 8.51 today. Ignore all this, I haven't installed the packages yet. If you don't know, you need Node.JS for this. Okay, so now we're gonna put the fixed better momentum index that I edited, kind of. Here, just put between these, just put your Discord ID. This one is basically just to make the commands load more accurately, and so you can use it without checking for server owner. I think I made this a while ago when I scripted this properly, so I forgot what all this does. Oh yeah, checks. So now just go to bot commands. This will be all your commands. Delete export profile if you don't want people to see that you're skidding. Like, who needs to export their profile? Here in set message, set name, you can just set this to whatever you want. Set it to full locker. This will basically be your bot command. You can just change the name there. Description, you can also change it. Remember, it has to be between these. You can also change this, all this, change it. Now we're just gonna change the logo. Copy that, put it right here, and we're gonna change all these images. So first of all, I'm just put something else in the content pages. I'm gonna just put just do this. Just change the image link to whatever you want. here, copy that, replace all. If you still don't get how to replace all, just right click on it. Okay, so now we're gonna go back here, and now we're gonna change the logo on the commands, which will be your project logo or whatever. I don't know. Let me see if I can put something else. I would just put this cool cat. He's black, but whatever. So you're just gonna put it here and replace. Just put that. Remember, no colons, no whatever on it, cause then you're gonna mess it up, and then it won't load. Also, no invisible spaces, guys. Please, it's just gonna be something like that, and then it won't show. Or if you do it here, it won't load. So yeah, replace, right click, replace all those skitters. So now we're gonna look for BlackGSFN, which is the project name used. So now replace it with your project name. Don't replace the down them if you want to. I mean, you can, but yeah, I'm just not gonna do that. I'm too lazy. Place this on all the commands. Your project name. This will be your host account thing. Just leave it like that if you want to, honestly. I don't really care. So we're gonna look for any momentum. Anything momentum that's left, you can leave all this like it is. Do not change update, or else it won't load. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, if it just fetches it if it updates or not. Okay, so now you've skidded all the commands. If you want to change the color on this to something else, just put this. Search. Put the hashtag. Go to HTML color codes. You can change it to whatever you want. I'm gonna set it to red because I like red. Copy the number. Right the replace it. This will be basically the color of the commands on it. With displays. I think I messed it up. Oh no, wait. We need to install packages. So remember to have Node.JS installed. So let's go better momentum install. Install your Node packages. Why is it taking so long? It doesn't take this long to do that. Okay, so now everything is installed. This should all go away. Okay, yes, everything went away. You've edited your commands now. Delete this. Okay. Change this env.example, rename it to .env. It's important. And main season, just change it to whatever season you're doing. Of course, this is a limited backend, so if you're doing like chapter 5, don't expect full support. This go this goes to chapter 2. I mean on chapter 4 and 3 too. I mean I think this supports chapter 3 fine, but I doubt it. We've done this, leave APIs like the APIs like that if you want to. Again. So now we're gonna set it the game server, which is unneeded since it's a dedicated matchmaker. That's it. Reboot. Open that SLN file. You need Visual Studio for it. Let's open. Let me find the main. Okay, reboot. Better momentum.cp. These are all. It's basically the API shit for the matchmaker. Just go to settings.header, copy your RADMIN IP or VPS IP, whatever. Put it there if you're using RADMIN. Just do HTTP instead of HTTPS. Put in your server off key, which you put right here in the EIV. I put Skidmaster, so you put whatever you put there. You don't have to put Skidmaster. Public IP, just put the IP only. And remember to put the port you say you're back into. If you're using a custom domain for HTTPS, I mean, don't use the domain, just use the raw IP of your VPS. It's better. It's better anyways. So yeah. Right. Am I slow? We're okay. Globals. Here you can just configure reboot game server. Note this is only the regular reboot 3.0 game server, so it only supports from basically season 1, which will be this, or season 0 on season 1, all the way to season 15 with it, which is chapter 2 season 5. So yeah, go back here, set whatever you want. Let me just set the playlist to arena, so you got showdown, playlist, showdown, no, showdown alt solo dot playlist, showdown alt solo. Don't change anything with this on it. Need server starter v2 if you want. I'm not gonna really show you how to do this. So you go to Project BlackGS thing, GitHub, and you can use their server restarter, or whatever it's called, server starter. Yeah, just customize it and set to late game. No NCP, leave it as false, or else of course you won't have NCP, which is uncreative. Normally do that. Yeah. Don't do the webhook uptime too. If you see it and you know what a webhook is, please don't do that. So yeah, just save it all. Go to release, build solution. Why the fuck? Okay, so I don't know why I keep getting this error, guys. So if you can fix it, just do it. I don't really know. I've never used this shit. I never even tried compiling the backend set. So now, backend, maybe game server. So now you just go to your better momentum and now just start it up. Should work if you did everything right. Should load up fine. Loads this. Let me show you how they get Arena real quick. I'm used to use the Eventlistactive from my backend because I'm too lazy to get it from anywhere else. And I'll put this everything. I'm gonna link everything in the description. I also made a new server for y'all skits. I'm gonna be posting hello backends and games everything and resources. So yeah, if you want to, just join it. Okay, started up. Go back to Visual Studio, event list. I think it's just event. Supposed to be Eventlistactive, right? Yep. Just rename that. Wait, not rename it, but yeah. It's already here for some reason. Last time it wasn't. But yeah. Delete all this. Copy this from my GitHub, from my backend on GitHub. Paste it right in there. Save changes. In content pages, go to. Just look up anything that says tournament. Tournament display ID. Just change that to arena solo. Leave the date like it is. Format arena. Change this image right here. This will be your arena thing. Your arena and playlist image. Sorry, I'm bad at explaining, but I like making tutorials. So yeah. Just change it to the arena image. Whatever you want. I'm just set to the box fight one. Why did I scroll up? Replace it right there. Paste that over that. If you're pasting it over like this, just check for any errors. Okay, just save all. Now let's restart your backend. Now everything should work fine. Check the server. / Let me just restart my thing. My Discord. Look up better moment. Let's see. Okay, so I forgot when we pasted this. The new index that's fixed, semi-fixed. Forgot to put the presence for the bot, so I'm just put skid 8.51. You don't have to do the same thing, you know. Restart this. Okay, so now / shoot. Okay, so now everything should load. Count. You're gonna see all this. Now just register an account. This email can also just be fake, so let me just put skid.org. Let's put skid2. Should register. I'm not gonna show you how to remove this embed. I think I know how to, but I forgot. So yeah, we're not gonna be doing that. So just go to your reboot. Get a redirect. Tellurium. Link to my RADMIN. Put your info right here. What the fuck did I do? I think it was. Okay, that's cute. That's cute at skid.org. I put skid2. Change it. And now for your host account, which you will need for your auto hoster too. Let me get this from somewhere. forgot where I put this out. Does this one have it? Okay, I think I did this. Yeah, I did this. So you basically need to send the curl command. I think I was skating this. So yeah, let's make a read or whatever. It's right in there. This will be better, and I really need to delete that background. I've had it for like months, just sitting there. I'm gonna leave this in a paste bin for you guys. Your server key will go in here because you need to run a grow command so you can run it in your command prompt so it can generate your actual host account. So I'm gonna put this one exactly, but you guys need to switch Skid Master to your server key and this to your IP. Of course, if it's HTTPS, if you change the port, then you can just change it right there. But yeah, this is basically the command I'm going to run for curl. Paste that in. Why did it not copy? Okay, copy. Let me just delete all this, all that. Okay, now I just run that. If the backend's up, that's supposed. Okay, now it successfully created it. Put that right in there just to save it. As you can see, here's the username for it. You will get the email. Put it there. Check for blank spaces. Password. Copy it. Put right there and just save it so you can save the info. So just be running this. Now everything should look fine. And also extra tips, guys, go to catalog. This is how basically if you want to make a free battle pass or change the price, go to catalog. Season 8. This is the one I'm doing. Change your regular price to 0, 0, 0. Extra bonus for you guys. Don't change this for levels. Feed it bit. 0, 0. And then just save that. Just search up your season if you want 15.50 is season 15, 16, 12, 11, 9, 10. Fuck. I have ADHD, you guys. That's why I got carried away. So yeah, all of this should now load. If you did it, great. Signed in as text here. That's good. You can see the message. And now I forgot to change the name. Oh shoot. Okay, so just change. Leave this at blank. Put arena. Solo, whatever. Yeah. Everything should work. I think I have the fix for this actually. It's for your shitty reload back. I can get it from Fmodel, but I don't really care. It's 12. Go to reload backend, GitHub, default runtime options. It should be all this. Minimum account level for tournament play. Copy that. Go to your backend, cloud storage, default runtime. Put it there. Yeah, copy the B. Is there a B? No, there's no B. I'm sped, sorry guys. Okay, so okay, no, I'm actually not sped B. Start it up again, restart everything, and now this time you should be able to matchmake. The only problem is the game server, so if you can fix that issue, then yeah. Basically what that game server's API does is check if the world is ready, and then it will send a curl or I don't know JSON to the backend's matchmaker, so it can deploy everybody. That's in matchmaking. So this should load up fine. Yeah, I wasted like 10 to 15 minutes waiting for those stupid games to compile. Damn. Arena solo should pop up. Now you should be able to queue in, but it won't start unless you change the logic to just be a timer like reloads. To be on a timer like reloads matchmaker, or if you port if you're able to compile the game server without erroring like that. So maybe it was just me. Let's try and get to the game right. You know what? No. If you like this video, please subscribe because I'm very poor. I mean, it won't really do anything. So yeah, remember to join my new Discord server. I'll put some resources for y'all's kids, and next time I'm gonna actually do a decent tutorial. So yeah, see you in the next one.